Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm sitting in the interior of my F30. This is a 16 328 diesel. And so that means I'm going to be doing a little mod in here. And what that mod is changing the start button right there from black to this nice red one that I bought here. I bought this one from keysmotorsports.com. Just a nice little simple mod to bring out some part of the interior. So let's get into how we change that over. So to start, we obviously need to remove this assembly right here. The easiest way to go about that is with a pry tool. But if you don't have a pry tool, you could just use an old old gift card, something like that. I use the same method in my video of where I installed the M3 style mirrors on my F30. This makes it easy for anybody that doesn't have the tools to be able to do so. So what we're going to do is we're just going to stick the card here along the edge. This is a good thing to use so that way you don't damage any part of the trim or the vehicle. You just stick it in there, and then we're going to push it behind there, as you can see, and just pry up along the edge. Once we do that, you can see it's starting to come out. You can just pry on it a little bit more, and then you see, there it goes. It's that simple. So I'm just going to pull this completely out. Obviously just a few clips holding it into the dash, and then we have the wiring harness that connects it. There's a little tab up there that you could see. You just push, pull, and release, but I'm going to turn all this off first because I don't want this being powered. So we're just going to push this little tab, we're going to pull that out, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright guys, so now that we have it removed, you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips holding the back part on. All you're going to want to do is you can use your fingernails, you can use a flathead screwdriver, that same little card that I used. We need to pop all these off, and then this pulls off from this so we can access the back side of this. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just pulled off the back part of it, placed it over here, and now to get into removing the old one, what we're going to do is, you see the new one has 2 clips right there. That's how it clips in from the factory as well. So if you can see in there, there's one right there. You see the little tab that's going around it, and the one right there on the other side. You just need to stick a little flathead in there, pry those off, the old one pops out, and then we just pop the new one in. So as you guys can see, the old one has been removed, and this is what it looks like after. It's just those 2 little clips that hold it in. So to install the new one, all we have to do is take the new one, and it goes in the same way. It's those 2 little clips. So all you have to do is just line it up, push it, and you can hear, that's it. It locked into place. So as you can see, there's those tabs that are locked in, and we are good to go. The only thing we need to do now is plug that harness back up, push it back into the dash, and this mod will be complete. It's that simple. It's a nice, cheap, less than $20 mod, and it really brings out the interior. So let's go do that. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the harness plugged back in. We have 1, 2, 3 clips right there that secure it to the dash. So all we have to do is line it back up and just push it back into place. It is that simple. And as you can see, it looks a lot better. It just pops in the interior and just gives it that nice look. So if this video helped you out, guys, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'll have a lot more videos coming out on my F30, exterior mods, interior mods, engine mods. So yeah, feel free to subscribe, like the video if it helped you out, and comment if you have any questions. And I will see you guys next time.